SICO staging units come fully assembled and ready for use. Before you set up a staging unit, please review the operating instructions. This will make you comfortable with how to handle the units properly before you actually begin to set up your stage. Clean and check all units prior to setup to make sure they are in good working order. In the unusual event that you discover something is not working properly, take the unit out of service until the problem can be repaired. It is important to remember not to mix product from different manufacturers, and in the rare case where a part is damaged or missing, do not assemble the stage until the part has been repaired or replaced. Today we're going to demonstrate two different SICO staging products: the 1800 mobile folding stage and the tri-height folding stage. Make sure you know the difference between the two so you set up the correct unit. Let's watch as our operator unfolds the 1800 mobile folding stage. The single height 1800 setup is simple. Release the bungee cable at the top of the unit that secures it in the transport position. Pull out the over-center locking bar on one side of the unit. Then pull each side down as shown into the use position. The dual height model of the 1800 is equipped with built-in height adjustability. To use the extended height, you start with the unit in the storage position. Carefully pull out the leg extensions on each side and secure each pin and cable lock in the appropriate notch to move to the next height. Unhook the bungee cord and pull out the center support legs. Then unhook the bungee at the top of the unit. Release the over-center locking bar. Pull each side of the unit down to the holding position. Then pull the unit towards you and it will pivot into place. To safely and securely connect to 1800 staging units, both stage systems are equipped with distinctive yellow unit-to-unit connectors that lock the units into place. Never use duct tape or other unapproved items to connect sections. If you need to build a multi-level tier, use these unit-to-unit connectors. To properly set up a tri-height stage, first adjust the legs to the proper height by releasing the yellow leg lock handle. Listen for the click, and be sure the leg lock pin engages in the hole in the leg. Release the over-center lock bar and fold the stage down into the setup position. To reverse the stage deck for your choice of surfaces, remove the bolts using the hex wrench supplied with the stage. A spring will lift one corner of the deck out of the frame, making it easy to grasp. When done, use the hex wrench to tighten the bolts just until snug. Don't over-tighten. When connecting two or more tri-height stage units, be sure to use the yellow spring-loaded connectors. Never use duct tape, wire, or other unapproved fasteners. For a tiered setup, use the black stationary unit-to-unit connectors. Then you just continue to set up your full stage to the desired size. After the stage is fully assembled, it's time to add your essential accessories. Depending on your setup, guardrails should be properly installed on three sides of the stage. Ensure connections and fittings are tight and that the items are secure. Proper guardrail, back rail, chair, and table stops are also essential for head table setups for the safety of your guests. When you add steps to your setup, make sure you have the appropriate number of steps for your stage and that they are also securely fastened. The steps connect easily to each of the SICO staging systems. Installing the proper ramp will make your stage ADA compliant and easily accessible. When you're finished, inspect the entire unit to check that it's properly assembled, locks are secure, and you feel confident that it's ready for use. Remember to have an appropriate light level set in the room for good visibility of stage and steps. When the event is over, the staging must be disassembled with care. This way, your units will be safe to use the next time you need to handle them. Store your staging system in a dry and secure location. Another professional job well done.